Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, all. So yesterday we started in topic inventory transactions, and also we tried creating miscellaneous transactions, right? Um, so today I tested application already. It is working fine. So and also we discussed what are the job roles required for inventory management, and also data access for users, that also completed. And now I'm in SCMIMPL. This is the seeded user. Okay, I'll create a new item quickly. Go to product management. Now today it is appearing correctly, this one, product information management. Where go to task list and create item. Yeah, as we discussed, we can test with seeded item also, no problem. So this is my master organization. This is my item class. So here template is available, default template. We can always again some problem here. Okay. Now here I will apply template purchased item. Okay. So here whatever attributes are enabled already in this template, those will be applied on this item. Okay, enter some item in L3 underscore engine. Okay. Some item you define it. And here life cycle phase active. And then okay. Here go to association, click on associations and assign item to your inventory. My inventory organizations are here, 001 and 002. So Seattle, and also you can assign at a time to both organizations. Select control and place the cursor, apply, and done. Now item defined in master organization and assigned item to my inventory organizations. So this is my master, defined in master, but assigned to my inventories. So this is also one important interview question, right? Tell me difference between master organization and inventory. Master organization is a item defining organization. So will not maintain, manage any physical activities. So in those two organizations, I'll perform transaction, stock, everything. So finally, we created item successfully. Now, if you check stock availability for this item, you will find obviously 0, right? Just now I created. Where you will find the on-hand stock availability, go to supply chain execution, inventory management, and you can choose your inventory. So here, this SCMIMPL having data access for this many inventory organizations. But yesterday, I was given data access for only 001 and 002. Okay, that was my own user, but this is the seeded user. So already assigned data access for this many inventories. Okay, I'm selecting 001. Go to task list, manage item quantities, and LT underscore item search. See here, stock is 0, stock not available. Now, quickly I want to adjust some positive quantity. Okay. So how will you quickly adjust? What is the transaction? It's a miscellaneous receipt. So click on this miscellaneous transactions. Select miscellaneous receipt and use item current cost no. That also we discussed. What is the item cost? What is the item price yesterday? And select some inventory clearing account. Some account I am selecting here. Okay, select OK. Okay. And add lines. My item is LT underscore engine 10 HP. See, now today it is working. Yesterday we faced problem, right? So automatically when you tab out, this sub inventory will enable. Here sub inventory defined like this: completed sub inventory, inspection sub inventory, quarantine, stays in stores. I am selecting stores. How much quantity you want to adjust it quickly? I want to adjust quickly 100 quantity. And also use item cost, current cost no. I will update item cost also. You can just select edit details. Here enter cost details. So each unit cost, so some $120 example. Okay. Now item on hand balance will be how much? 100 into 120. That will be the value of item. Select OK. Now submit. So in 001 organization, in store sub inventory, quickly I adjusted 100 quantity. I want to verify that quantity updated or not in the item quantities. Select LT underscore. Now select search. See, earlier it was shown blank. Now it is showing 100 on hand stock is available 100 in my inventory. So this is the way in real time. In future, anytime if you want to test quickly, you can adjust stock like this. Okay. Now in my organization 001, in the sub inventory stores, on hand availability 100 is available. Okay. So due to some other reasons, I want to reduce the stock quickly. Maybe that can be some real-time reason or testing purpose, any reason. I want to quickly reduce some quantity. So how will you reduce? What is the transaction miscellaneous issue? You go to again same, create miscellaneous transactions. Here type select miscellaneous issue. Use item current item cost. Yes. Why? Because already I was updated with 120, right? With 120 only I will issue it. And here same account I am selecting 60540 miscellaneous. Select OK. Select lines. And how much quantity you want to issue? 20. Now you no need to update this enter cost details. Why? Because Use current item cost, yes. With the same cost only I am going to issue. Submit. Select OK. Now, again verify stock availability. Manage item quantities. Select search. See now 80. Earlier it was 100. Now it is 80. Why? Because I created a miscellaneous issue transaction. So this is what is the miscellaneous transaction? Miscellaneous transaction, why? Reason can be anything. I will adjust quickly, either reduce the quantity or increase the quantity. But another question will be, what is the accounting entry for miscellaneous transactions? What is the accounting entry? So this accounting entry will be created where this accounting entry will create in cost accounting. In the cost accounting, so inventory value account will debit if it is miscellaneous receipt. If it is miscellaneous receipt, debit and credit. So which account debit, which account credit? Inventory valuation account. Inventory valuation account will debit. For how much? It is 100 into 120, right? So it is 12,000. Which account credit? Inventory clearing account. Inventory clearing account will credit for 12,000. Where I was selected in miscellaneous transaction, right? This account, miscellaneous account. If it is issue, which account will debit, which account will credit? Inventory or offset account also we can say 20 into 120. So how much it is? That amount. So it is 20 into 120, right? So this into this. Some 2,400 will debit inventory valuation account. So 2,400 credit. Now what is your current on-hand stock balance? This minus this. Now your on-hand balance is 9,600. Your current on-hand stock value 9,600. So all these entries, accounting entries will be created in cost accounting. Okay, let's see. Here also we can verify those. Already all setups are available. This is the seeded, right? But we need to verify what? Okay, let me check. I'll show you this one also. This important topic. Same time, we are talking about some cost accounting entries also. Let me log in with financial user also. QJZ. Kazi dot brown. So, first we need to verify um, whether this periods, GL periods and cost accounting periods open or not. That should be in open status. So actually this is GL financial setup. Financial consultant will take care. So in month beginning, in period beginning, he will open. In month end, he will close. See, now we are in uh, May, right? So this is the start date and end date. 1st April 24 to 31st uh, May, sorry, May, 1st May, 31st May. This is the status is open. It is in open already. Okay, we don't have any issues. Um, okay. And also we need to verify cost accounting periods. Cost accounting periods, anyway, I can verify from SCMIMPL, where you can find this one. Here also we need to assign cost accountant job role. So then only this will appear. Cost accounting. And here I go to somewhere you will find manage cost accounting periods. This one. Manage cost accounting periods. Here, ledger is US primary ledger. Select OK. And my cost organization, already I know about this configuration. That is the reason I am selecting. You also should have this information. This will help you real time for quick demos. Okay. Here, 524. This one also it is in open status. So already periods in open status. Okay. And also there is concept is called accounting method. Here you go to manufacturing, supply chain, material management, and cost accounting. In cost accounting, cost elements, cost profile, valuation, ledger application. This one, manage accounting methods. Which one using for this? My chart of account is, see all this about what? GL we are discussing. Okay. This chart of accounts. Standard approval. This one. Okay, in cost accounting, you can see here event classes, you can find it. Now we are talking about miscellaneous transactions, right? You can just verify this one. So miscellaneous transactions. So here rule set, it is in incomplete status. Activate. Yes. The activate assignment process has been completed. Okay. Now let's see, particularly miscellaneous transactions. Yeah. So the miscellaneous issue, everything is activated now. So all are activated, particularly I want to activated miscellaneous transactions. Those also activated, miscellaneous issue and miscellaneous receipt. Here also still slowly you need to verify, understand. Click on this miscellaneous issue or receipt, anything. Click on this. Here is inventory valuation account. Click on this. How the inventory valuation account selected, account combination rule. So source, so code combination, mapping set, so what is the account combination is available here, we can verify it. That also I'll show you. And this one, offset account. Likewise, one in future, one by one, you have to verify it. Okay, offset account. Mapping set or code combination identifier in wherever you selected in the miscellaneous transaction. Let's see. First, I will verify mapping set. So this is the way you need to explore, understand the application slowly. This is important actually. So how application works, what are the um, options, functionalities available. So I was showing you two mapping sets, right? One is inventory evaluation account. So what combination selected here? So this is the one, US chart of account 001. This is the combination. If you want, you can somewhere enter details. And also offset account. Double 001. Same account selected in both places. Okay, it's different. But I was selected in the miscellaneous transaction, some 65, some different natural account, right? Let's see. Now, how this data will flow from inventory module to cost accounting. We need to run some ESH jobs. Which ESH job is required to run? I'll show you. First, you go to home and click on tools and schedule process. What is the ESH job name? Transfer transactions from inventory to costing. Transfer transaction from inventory to costing. So this is the program will transfer inventory data to cost accounting interface tables. If you want, you can select cost organization. Cost organization is from US operations, right? US operations, select OK, submit. Okay. And complete this. Now it is in ready status. Now it is in running. So now data is moving to cost accounting interface tables from inventory base tables. Succeeded. Again, back to cost accounting. Supply chain execution, cost accounting. Here, select create cost accounting distributions. Here you can choose create, run control, verify underscore May 24. And what are the parameters you want to enable? You can enable it. Free processor, cost processor, cost of goods sold recognition, cost distribution. So you can enable whatever here enabled by default. And also if you want to generate cost reports processor. Okay. But actually, this will not be generated, which is not required. This is will maintain in the O2C, order to cash. Okay. So here, select your parameters. Cost organization is, my cost organization is US operations. My cost book, financials. My ledger, US primary ledger. Here, cutoff date, you can take 28th today, right? Also, you can take no problem 31st. So any transaction created with 31st date, so those also it will pick it. Okay. Now select save and schedule process. Now data transferring from cost accounting interface tables to cost accounting base tables, and also it will generate cost distributions. That means which account will be debited, which account will be credited. Accounting entries will not be directly created. I'll show you. Now, again, go to tools and schedule process. Yes, another ESA job. Create cost accounting distribution. It is in running status. So still it is in running. If it is running regularly, this one, those also will be scheduled every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes in real time. So that time it will complete quickly. So now why taking this much time? Generally, people they will not run or submit, or it will not run regularly in demo instance. Now it is what it is happening. System is trying to pull complete data. So that is the reason it is taking time. Otherwise, it won't take this much time. Regularly, programs are scheduled, running and transferring data. It won't take much time. Where is that? Yeah, still it is running. Also, you can only monitor and refresh. So this particular process ID, put it and select search. So it is in running. Also, we can verify it. Maybe sometimes this data will be transferred. So you go to supply chain execution, cost accounting. Here, review cost accounting distributions. Not this one. Review this one. Review cost, not that one. Review this one. Last, second one. Review cost accounting distributions. You can enter cost organization, US operations, and on or after 25th, okay, 21st, okay. Only after 21st, whatever transactions created, those data only I am searching. Here can be many transactions here, not only our miscellaneous issue, miscellaneous receipt. Why? Because it's a practice instance, right? Many users, they will create transactions. Yeah, here, yes, my item, it is showing two lines. One is miscellaneous issue, miscellaneous receipt, right? First, you verify for miscellaneous receipt. Click on view details. Here, price is, item cost is 120. I was updated, right? You remember. So this is user defined. Cost distributions, how this cost will be inventory valuation account, debit, offset account credit, right? Same we discussed here. You can say offset account or what? Inventory clearing. Okay. So 12,000 it is debited, 12,000 it is credited. Right? No, here it is showing this will be distributions like this. But journal entries, accounting entries are not yet created here. See, it is blank. The same way, you can verify for issue also. Issue, how it is going to be distributed. Here, cost distributions. See, 2,400 offset account will be debited. Inventory valuation account will be credited. Same we written right here also. Okay. Now, how this accounting entries? So here I was showing you, these are the code combinations. Natural account 14100, 14200. Let's see which combination will hit. Now, which one you should run? There is the create accounting. You should run this another ESH job. Cost management here, parameter it is cost management, ledger, US primary ledger. Select OK. And here end date you can select 31st, and yes, you can continue with default parameters. Then select submit. Oh. Upon complete this ESH job also, go to home. Tools and schedule process. Create accounting. It is in running status. Create accounting. It is in running. Also, I will verify previous list submitted. So this one still running. That means data that much bulk huge data is available in application. That is the reason it is taking that much time. Here, create accounting, it is in running. So it got warning. Maybe reason can be some other transactions. It's not our here, create accounting with some accounting events, journal events have been processed with error. Review and create accounting. So it is showing some events properly not defined. That I don't know. We need to verify that. So when it is got warning, so let's see. See, this is not because of my transaction. Maybe there are many, right, different transactions every day people create here. So we don't know against which transaction events are missing. So that is the reason. But in real time, anyway, we will verify that. We'll identify, review cost accounting distributions, and yes, operations. So select OK, search. See now, my transactions are, we don't have any issue. See, it is showing here it is not accounted. There is some issue with this transaction, purchase order receipt. But my transactions are finally accounted, fully costed. So we don't have any issue with our, see, this is 100 quantity miscellaneous receipt. This is miscellaneous issue. First, let's see, verify accounting entries for the miscellaneous receipt. See, 14100 is inventory valuation account. See, I was copied right here. 14100 debited. But here, 2210. 2210 actually offset account was this as per mapping set, but it is coming different value. 2210 accrued receipt. It is taking accrued receipt. Okay, accrued. It is picking from accrued receipt. Now, how we can verify this? We can verify everything, but only thing is, so you need to have some logical thinking, and you can understand how this configuration was happened. So here, cost accounting, Altos, mapping set. Not mapping set. Check account rule directly. This set to show. Cost management. Offset inventory right up. Again, first I need to check it in accounting methods only. Where is accounting methods? Yes. This one. Standard approval. In cost accounting. Miscellaneous receipt. It is the rule set. Under rule set, uh, under rule set, actually I was verified this. This is inventory valuation fine. Inventory write-off. Let me check this one also. Source code combination identifier inventory write-off. This is also available. Account line type inventory write-off. But where it was shown offset, right? General rule. This was shown actually offset accounting class. Offset source code combination identifier. So 1, 2. This is meaning is what? This is the priority actually. So code combination identifier selected. Because of this, it is picking, I think, this one. So this is the classes offset only. Okay. Offset. See, account classes offset. This is correct actually. But thing is, mapping set is this one. Here available this combination. Okay. But this combination, where is that? Yeah. So this combination picking from here source. Why? Because it is available first. This is the first means it's a first priority. The second, this is one second priority. Yeah, that is the reason actually. See here, this is a mapping set. Okay, here available, but which is not picking. Reason is account rule. This one. Here see code combination identifier. Because of this, it is priority 1. It is picked from here. Anyway, this we cannot edit. Why? Because it is created by Oracle. So if you don't want to use this, we can create our own mapping set. Okay. Yeah. So same way, now we discussed about miscellaneous transactions, right? Then including accounting entries also we discussed. So next what? Sub-inventory transfer. So what is the sub-inventory transfer? Within the inventory organization, I will transfer stock from one sub-inventory to another sub-inventory. See now, this is simple transaction. I'll show you quickly. You go to inventory management. Click on this, create sub-inventory transfer. So this is real-time transaction. See, miscellaneous transaction we utilize for quick adjust purpose. This based on real time requirement, we can use this sub-inventory transfer. So now this is the item. I'm transferring from store sub-inventory to completed sub-inventory. How much quantity? 10 quantity I'm transferring. See, organization same, 001. This item transferring from one sub-inventory to another sub-inventory, how much quantity? 10. Purpose can be anything, right? Other sub-inventory people requested. So that is the reason I'm transferring. Select button, submit. That's it. Sub-inventory transfer is completed. So what you will answer? What is the sub-inventory transfer? Stock transfer from one sub-inventory to another sub-inventory within inventory organization. So here also you can run same for every transaction. You can run whatever I shown you ESH jobs. Go to tools, the schedule process. Transfer transactions from inventory to cost. So in real time, as I told you, we can schedule every 10 minutes. So this automatically programs, ESH jobs will be run. You no need to submit like this. Users will not submit every time. It is succeeded. Then you have to run this one. What is that? To create cost accounting distributions. So still it is running, see. That means that much data is available. Still it is running. If you try to submit another also, it will not run. Reason is already one ESA job is running, right? Select submit. Select OK. So, So who submitted this? At a time. Parallelly, someone practicing this. I was submitted this, right? Immediately, someone submitted. Okay, let me verify. Uh, So actually, sub-inventory transfers, there will not be any accounting entry. So that is the reason data is not available here. It is not coming. So why? Because for inventory organization, we'll have a at inventory organization level. This account 14100. It is not quantity moving to what from inventory, right? So that is the reason. Okay, suppose if maintaining sub-inventory level, different account combination, we need to verify the SLA. That means accounting methods, all this I shown you, right? We need to verify that. Let me check that also. How this accounting, this is called SLA, subledger accounting. We can say this concept is called let me check, verify. Okay, here event classes, right? From here you can check it. So here, is there any sub-inventory transfer is available? Check it. Cost adjustment, direct PO, delivering to inventory. So inter-organization transfer is available. As far as in transit, cost adjustment, miscellaneous transactions. Yeah, which is not available. Yeah. Also, you can here search it like this. To manually see sub-inventory related, it is not available. So that is the reason. So data is not picked up. Okay. So today we discussed miscellaneous transactions end to end with cost accounting entry and sub-inventory transfers. So tomorrow we'll discuss about this inter-organization transfer. So here also we'll see how this accounting entries will happen in cost account. So any questions? Okay, thank you. Bye.